Hi guys, I'm Amber Scholl. Welcome to QVC. I've been practicing my whole life for this. So I thought it would be fun this year to do kind of like a favorite things holiday gift guide. So I worked directly with some of my favorite brands in the world to get you exclusive discounts that you literally like can't find anywhere else. These are just here of all my favorite things.
So I have my own personal shopping store set up just for you guys. Think of it kind of like Amazon, but Amberzon, where everything is 50% off, but just for 5 days.
Every single thing in this video is at least 50% off, only right here. You're so welcome. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start out with is a pillow. Oh, so this is my everyday sleeping pillow. I am a very picky, like Princess and the Pea ass bitch. So I need something fully adjustable, fully soft. So this is actually a custom mix of vegan down and memory foam, AKA the ultimate baby softness. It's just the softest pillow ever. Plus it has iced cooling technology, so you're always sleeping on the cold side of the pillow. Ethically sourced and hypoallergenic too. So this pillow retails for $169. I worked my magic. It is 60% off right now, only $67, and literally the best pillow ever. After I discovered this pillow, I discovered some other Hush products. So we also have the Hush iced cooling sheets, which is basically the same technology as the pillow, cool to touch all the time. I love to be freezing when I sleep, so these are like the best thing ever. These are actually made of 100% bamboo, not to mention organic. Let them send me some prop ones for the video, but this is actually what I have on my bed right now. Like I have the dusty pink version on here, but the 2 pillowcases that it comes with, again, the fitted sheet and the loose sheet. And I know you guys can't feel this, but this is actually like literally cool to touch. It's crazy. It's actually the brand's best-selling product. So these retail for $219. But again, I got 60% off for you guys, so these are only 87 bucks with the deal. So the next thing is probably what I'm most excited about for this whole video, you guys. Do you see my beautiful little snatched nose? One of my favorite products in the entire world is the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. I have had this in videos for years. I recently put it in my products that changed my life video, but you probably most remember it from my viral video, DIY plastic surgery, because that's what this is.
I use this powder for my nose, for my cheeks, for everything. This is just the perfect shade of contour. I don't know how to explain it. This is like a literally, it's the best thing ever. It will give you every kind of surgery you ever wanted to chisel out your face.
It is literally the best powder in the whole world. I just, thank God they made this. The internet thinks I had a nose job, but no, guys, it's literally this powder. We also have the volumizing mascara, which again, I wear fake eyelashes, but this helps them all blend together. And it's also what I use on my bottom lashes to give them that little extra flair, you know? Ooh, they have really nice packaging too. This is like a luxury makeup brand, you guys. I couldn't actually believe that they agreed to do this. This was so cool of them. So thank you, Kevyn Aucoin, we love you. Thanks for giving us all snatched faces. We have the eyelash curler, also 50% off, only 13 bucks. You guys know I obviously use fake eyelashes, but I use this to help clamp my real eyelashes to the fake eyelashes to give them that flawless natural finish. Insider beauty hack. So we also have the feather brow marker, which again, just will feather out your brows literally perfectly. Look at this. You guys see that? This is literally like a felt tip, super pointy Sharpie. So this will give your brows that micro bladed look. Do you see all the little individual lines? I did this earlier, but it's fabulous. This is available in 4 shades, and also, guess what? 50% off. So now you and all your loved ones can look beautiful this holiday season. Perfect gift for grandpa. I'm just kidding, but also who knows, maybe grandpa slays. All right, so the next thing is, can you guys even see this in this lighting? Oh, this is such a beautiful blanket. This is a beautiful, silky, soft, fabulous throw blanket that is maybe one of the softest blankets I've ever owned. This is actually Drew Barrymore and Kelly Clarkson's favorite blanket, so obviously I had to try it. And it has over 40,000 5-star reviews, and honestly for good reason. It is so soft. Beautiful creamy satiny trim on the sides, and then the rest of it is bamboo. It is, I mean, when I say soft, guys, again, so soft. Not to mention, it's literally huge. Ooh, whoops. And 50% off, this is only $47. So I don't know if you guys have heard of this before, but this is hella famous on TikTok. It has like 1 billion views, literally. Sold at Nordstrom, Saks, all over the place, but it looks like this. It's pink, which is super fun, and it has 3 barrels. So check this out. Do you guys see how fast that's heating up? Crazy. Put your hair in the middle there and watch. Now we wait. Look at that. Perfect Kim Kardashian waves in 2 seconds. So when you finish off your whole head, it literally looks like this. So easy, literally even people who suck at doing hair, AKA me, can do it. So we also have the interchangeable blow dry brush. Again, retails $224, 50% off. Okay, so this thing is amazing. You guys know I love to have my like Victoria's Secret looking hairstyle. This is how I get my actual hair to cooperate with my extensions. You can see it actually kind of looks like a brush, but this is actually like a blow dryer. You'll see in a second, but this comes with 3 different heads. So it has this one, and then another like smaller brush version. Again, pink, fun. Check this out, my hair's wet. Turn this on. Look at that, see? Ooh. So this dries and styles your hair at the same time. It's like amazing. Professional looking blowout. It's so cool. Honestly, at 50% off, even if you're bald, you should buy these. So you guys already know that I have a jewelry line, 333 Beverly Hills, but today, as a special deal, the earrings are, get this, 50% off. These are my go-to day-to-day earrings. I always am wearing these. I literally wear these every day. All the stones are cut to mimic the standards of jewelry industry perfection. You can see the prongs are pointed solid sterling silver with enlarged backs. And I say these are the absolute best earrings money can buy. I am not kidding. They are unbelievable, truly. They're like $100,000 Tiffany earrings, but they're fake. You can wear these in the shower, in the pool. So those are literally half off right now. $25, unbelievable. I can't believe I am doing that. It's only gonna be a couple days. And again, when they're gone because I can't afford to lose money on that many earrings. So happy shopping. I promise you, you will literally blow away whoever you give them to. In real life, they're even more spectacular than they look on camera. You guys know I can't cook at all, so obviously pre-made things are literally my favorite. So these are pre-made cinnamon buns from a company called Cinnamom. These are unbelievable. I mean, you can see on their little like pamphlet here. Oh my gosh, they are so freaking good. You're gonna love them. These are a 3rd generation family recipe made from scratch in small batches and then shipped out to you. We got buttercream, pumpkin cream, traditional glaze. No baking needed, watch this. You hear them in the microwave over there? Woo-hoo-hoo, it's like DIY Cinnabon. Impress all your coworkers by pretending you made them. They're literally so good. I'm gonna need a moment actually. These are usually $84, premium ingredients, all the good stuff, but again, 50% off for you and your family and your friends. Why are these unbelievable? Back to the video. These are all over the internet right now, so viral. Weighted blankets. So this is a 12-pound weighted blanket. Do you see how soft it is? I wish you guys had touch-o-vision. So weighted blankets, aside of being chic fashion dresses, apparently, weighted blankets are actually supposed to help you sleep better, reduce stress. Weird fun fact also, this is the most reviewed weighted blanket in all of Canada. Blanket is again also 60% off right now, so you're getting a literal steal. It's a great gift for yourself or someone else because it's like a permanent little hug, you know? I feel loved. Also have the weighted robe. This is in a robe version, so it has removable weights in here and just, again, makes you feel like you're getting a permanent hug. This is made of like literally the plushiest fleece in the world. Perfect for lounging around the house, filming videos. I might just wear this the rest of the video, guys. So this actually retails for $159, kind of expensive, but again, the deal, 60% off. This is only 63 bucks. Unbelievable. So while you're lounging in your bathrobe, you obviously need something for your toes. These slippers have been featured on the Today Show, Good Morning America, The View. They are just everywhere, so I had to try them, obviously, and let me tell you, they live up to the hype. So these are memory foam slippers. They're literally so soft. Plus they have the indoor-outdoor sole, so you can wear them outside because Lord knows, I absolutely do be leaving the house like this sometimes. These are available in 7 colors, sizes 5 through 12, so everyone you know can have a pair. And at 50% off, even people you don't know can have a pair. You get slippers and you get slippers and everybody gets a slipper. I actually showed this in one of my last videos, but this is unbelievable. The Miko foot massager. I liked it so much. So again, reached out to the brand and they're gonna, guess what? Get this. They're gonna hook you up with 50% off this. Like I said, this is the Miko foot massager. You can see it literally just like has these two places for your feet. You can just put them in like this. Do you hear that? Or do you see that? It is giving my feet a luscious little massage in there. So relaxing. It actually has 5 different massage modes. There's like deep kneading, compression. There's actually a heat function too. So now instead of massaging your lover's feet, you can buy them this. Also from Miko, we have the air purifier and oil diffuser. Great gift, I'll show you why. All right, so this little guy looks like this. So this not only has a built-in filtration system to remove like pollutants in the air and all sorts of things, especially if you have pets, it's like really good. Like George, who sheds all over the place. It has a built-in essential oil diffuser, so it smells nice too. I keep mine in my bedroom and it just makes it feel like extra clean and good in there. So again, this is 54% off, crazy. It retails for $149. The deal price is only 69 bucks. By the way, guys, these deals are not going to like just go on forever. You only have a couple days. This expires, I think November 21st, I believe, is when all the links like stop working. So this is like a now do or die. You're not gonna find these deals anywhere else. This is it. And they're gone. So shop quick if you want it. Go shop quick if you want them. Now is the time. 'Tis the season, quite literally. Guys, so next we have the
Sutra Sleep Kit,
which basically is this. So this is a weighted silk eye pillow that's scented like lavender and chamomile. It smells so good. You guys know I travel like literally all the time, and whenever I'm in the back and economy, I need this. It also comes with little melatonin lotion, which again, great to like relax and help you sleep.
PS fun fact, tennis champion Venus Williams is the owner. And this is an Oprah's favorite thing winner.
So super cool, not to mention, according to some stats, it says 97% of users reported better sleep up 2 more hours. Deal price is only 29 bucks, crazy. So if you know a little fancy traveler in your life, this is perfect. By the way, guys, just so you know, I've been filming this for so long, it literally got dark. It's pitch black outside now. Oh no. So that's kind of why the lighting is getting weird in here. I might migrate into my closet to film the rest of this because, oh, like look at that, the lighting is being strange. Okay, we're gonna do a little great migration real quick.
Woohoo! Okay, so next.
This little guy is the Tao Diamond Brush Set. This is basically like a facial brush cleanser system. It's amazing, watch this. It's got 5 different brush heads, so there's lots of choices. See, he sits on your countertop like this and is like always charged, but you can take it out and all you do to turn it on is press this button. Look, and it swirls. This is just great for cleaning your face. It feels so good. It's like a face massage. It's been featured in Vogue and People. Over 100,000 of these have been sold. So if you're into skincare, this is a great gift. Just makes you feel like a pretty princess, you know? Next up is one of my literal favorite things ever. This is like a lighted compact mirror. When I tell you guys everyone needs one of these, oh my God. Are you guys ready for this? Look, watch. Oh, So these come in lots of different designs and colors, but you can see this is an amazing little compact mirror because of the LED light here. So this just, no matter what kind of lighting you're in, even in the dark, you have fabulous lighting. Simone Biles was seen using this at the Olympics. Like I said, comes in all sorts of designs too. 30-day battery life, fully rechargeable. They're usually 50 bucks. They're only $24 right now. Grab them while you can. Like I said, there's only a limited amount. When all the things from the video sell out, they sell out. Great stocking stuffer. All right, so next we have a vacation in a bottle. Self-tanner. You guys know I love to self-tan. I'm actually naturally, literally Snow White, like beyond. I have tried every single self-tanner out there, like literally all of them. And I'm always looking for like the next best thing. This is the one that I'm currently obsessed with. It's called Tanceuticals. I actually found this one because on selftanning.com, this is literally like the #1 product for 10 years. So I thought, okay, I'll give it a whirl. And oh wow. And you can see how it's not orange, it's like a perfectly natural brown color. Literally such like a goldeny glow tan. It's just perfect, so natural. Just perfectly naturally bronzed. I love November. One of the biggest things that I really like about this is Oh, it actually smells like good. It doesn't smell like self-tanner at all. It's acai berry, argan oil, vitamin E. It has like actual things that are good for you. Facial tanning serum even has hyaluronic acid in it, which if you don't know what that is, that's the same stuff I have in my lips to make them look pouty. It also comes with the cute little pink tanning mitt, which is just extra festive and fun. The price of this is usually $87, but today, right here, right now, it's literally 50% off. It's only $43.50 for all three. So shout out to TanCeuticals for agreeing to team up with me on this. Fabulous. Like I said, you're literally not gonna find this deal anywhere else. They really just hooked it up for you guys. So happy shopping. All right, guys, and last but not least, a toothbrush. I have been a believer for years that everyone should have an electric toothbrush. And this is the one that I've been using for like the last, I don't even know, maybe like 3 months probably. My pink one that I used to have literally just died after I think 15 years. So it was time for a new one, but this is infinitely better. Let me show you. The world's first silicone sonic toothbrush. You guys know I'm obsessed with my teeth and making them white and pearly and pretty. So you can see the bristles are like this. It's got the little on-off button here. According to clinical research studies, these remove 30% more plaque than manual toothbrushes and improve oral hygiene up to 140%. Not to mention this charge lasts 365 days, so you literally never have to charge it pretty much. It's awesome. And thanks for watching my QVC special. I'm your host, Amber Scholl, and I hope to see you next time. Isn't it pretty crazy? I literally do have like my own home shopping network in my closet. What a time. What a full circle moment coming from a girl who used to love to watch infomercials as a child at 6 a.m. I really was a weird kid. Enjoy my favorite things with love from me to you. Happy holidays. XO. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah.